15 minutes then, and 1 point to you, Scott.
Thank you.
Okay. To my go.
You next. What line?
I'm gonna go line 7. I mean, you sound like you're in good spirits, which would suggest you've not been travelling all that long.
No, we're just having a laugh. We're in the Glasgow mood, so.
Yeah. So anyway, where are we up to? 15 minutes. I've got to decide whether it's higher or lower than 15 minutes. I think
Serious crime, like weapons involved, let's say. What's he doing? He's going on pavement.
He is. Well, it's anything
Oh
that's
my
what he
God!
wants to do.
What an idiot! Just to
he's
jump
going
the
away.
queue.
It's because he's going over the green light.
Oh dear.
So our rendition of Let's Stay Together.
We missed.
Good. Can we stop and check they're okay?
Yep. Fuck me!
I know I'm a lousy hero. The classic I can feel is out of memory. And you are feeling down through.